Hrangkhwl para Giant Hill School bwskango bwsalajak haise oro girls hostel dong chini school ni administrator rokbo bwsalajak chungbai girls hostel ni accommodation rok dining hall rok chung berainaikha too congested oro kaham klai charero porinan moto kono subida kari mo ekta ঐতিহাসিক স্কুল চিনবাগি 1974 mo school khulokjakmani bini porjonto bini proper infrastructure ADC एबा state government দুইটা authority no mo school সম্পর্কে busuk siang saimanya and leader of opposition ngai ang barai nei figatini not on my own the school authority only invited me for visiting the school ani visit ni kaisa report I am going to give to the state government as well as the ADC authority jani responsibility both the government borok maklainai oro 100% the student por nairo chini porok no poru the prasarok no poru so tribal welfare department in particular borok jai khaoro samungma tangnai and when GC authority in bosaka the CSR ani bakhaktei borok jodi oro infrastructure development bagi rang rekhai hamnai they also have agreed and I told them in the first week of September I am going to visit their head office here in Tripura asset manager Malaini I am sure something we can do but ani claimani salai state government ebong ADC authority ro sakma tharnai ebong kaham claim school no bill claiman bagi jing jotono masai to hambai